Let me ask you something. When you look at your messy desk, your scattered notes, or that chaotic folder on your computer, do you feel guilty? Like you're failing at being organized? What if I told you that very chaos might be the reason you're more creative than you realize? Today, I'm going to show you why disorder isn't your enemy. It's your secret weapon. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at your own chaos the same way again. We've all been told, clean your room, tidy your desk, organize your life. But here's the paradox. Some of the most brilliant minds in history, Einstein, Steve Jobs, Picasso, worked in absolute chaos. Their desks looked like explosions. Their studios? Desastroson. Yet, out of that mess came world-changing ideas. So if your workspace looks like a crime scene, congratulations, you might just be in good company. Here's why chaos works. When your environment is unpredictable, your brain is forced to make unusual connections. Psychologists call this divergent thinking, the ability to link unrelated ideas. That's the birthplace of creativity. But here's the kicker. Too much order can actually kill creativity. If everything is neat, predictable, and controlled, your brain stops searching for new patterns. It gets lazy. So the very thing you've been told to chase, perfect order, might be holding you back. Einstein once said, if a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind, then what is an empty desk a sign of? Think about that. His desk was chaos, but inside that chaos, he was bending the laws of physics. Steve Jobs, his brainstorm sessions were famously chaotic, filled with interruptions, tangents, and wild ideas. But that chaos gave birth to the iPhone. These weren't accidents. They were patterns. Chaos wasn't a distraction. It was the spark. Now, let's get practical. I'm not saying you should live in a landfill. There's a difference between toxic chaos and productive chaos. Toxic chaos drains you. It's clutter with no purpose. Productive chaos, on the other hand, is intentional. It's the messy whiteboard where ideas collide. The cluttered notes app where random thoughts spark breakthroughs. The playlist that jolts your brain into new rhythms. These are strategic mess zones. And here's the secret. You only need a little chaos to unlock a lot of creativity. So yes, you can finally tell your mom, I'm not messy, I'm innovating. Here's the shift. Instead of fighting chaos, reframe it. That pile of sticky notes? That's your brain's playground. That cluttered brainstorm? That's your next breakthrough waiting to happen. The moment you stop fearing chaos and start using it, you unlock a creative edge most people never tap into. And suddenly, your chaos isn't a weakness, it's your hidden advantage. So the next time you feel overwhelmed by disorder, remember, chaos isn't your enemy, it's your secret weapon. And if you want more paradoxes that flip your thinking upside down, hit subscribe. Because sometimes the messiest ideas are the ones that change the world. And maybe, just maybe, the next one is sitting in your chaos right now.